Hi, this is Jerry Mannix, and I want to talk to you today about fault codes with Infinity thermostats. We often get a lot of calls from our customers that, hey, they've got an Infinity thermostat and they have a fault code. As you can see on this particular thermostat, the fault code is reading auxiliary input shutdown. That is our most popular fault code. And what that means when you get that fault is that there's more than likely in the summertime some type of condensation blockage or condensation backup where it's tripped the float switch and has shut the system down. So if you do see that, you want to immediately go to the indoor equipment and make sure there's no water around. There's a small hockey puck float switch we often put on. If it senses water, it'll immediately shut the system down and you'll get this fault. So you want to make sure that everything is clear. And if there's any obstructions in the drainage pipes, there's another video I have that you can go that goes over how to remove a condensate blockage in the condensate drain pipe. But this is the Infinity control here. You can also tap on that and you can actually reset the fault. Another way you can also reset the fault is once you've cleared and fixed the issue at the indoor equipment, you can power cycle the equipment, turn it off and turn it back on. The Infinity also will try to reset itself on its own. After 4 hours, it'll try to reset the fault and restart up if this happens when you're not home, for example. That's often with no heat situations. One of the other times you'll get this, if you're getting this same fault during the winter time, you may see it in conjunction with a limit fault. And that is usually a result of a dirty filter. If the filter blocks the air through the system, it causes the furnace to run hot. If it gets above the limit, which is usually about 185 degrees, you'll wind up with a limit fault. And that too will throw that same fault code. So hopefully with this information, you'll be able to fix your unit on your own. If you can't, give us a call at Mannix Heating and Cooling, and we'll be happy to take care of it for you.